Ronald Kabunga arukora nka Social Safeguard Officer o Ministry y'Obwegyese ahire yo kushaboku o Ministry bireneshoza ebirugire omukuchondoza okwakozerwa mu ihanga ahabwatagine no kutuntuza abana na munongo mu mashomero. Reportage ya National Violence Against Children Baseline Survey, reporter for the safe and protection of children, eshomirwe aha mukoro ogukorirwe aha kasi ya hotel omuri Mbarara.
We had key informants interviews and we indeed had interesting findings. For example, violence is still prevalent, though it has reduced a bit compared to the time we really had our strategic plan developed, but it is still existing.
We've also printed readers where there are small booklets that are easy for learners to read and then they get the message. We've also disseminated guidelines on formation of flags, the different guidelines under the ministry.
Okuchondozo kukakorwa omu mashomero agasiniya hamwe n'amatendekero kandi obuchweka nsanzu na musanzu aharigana obwabeegi ababuzibwe omu mashomero bakikiriza ko barikutuntuzibwa.
61% of the respondents were positive about having experienced violence in school, and physical violence is more prominent on the side of the boy child, both in TVET institutions and also in secondary schools, whereas sexual violence is more prominent on the side of the girl child.
Okushohoza ripoto ku kutebekanisibwa ba Science Teaching Innovation Africa and Luigi Gusan Foundation bakwatanise n'aba Ministry y'Ebyobwegyese kandi kuchirweho bakuru b'amashomero n'abebembezi okurugo mu district za Burenje bw'izoba.
So hariho some cases is kwantunga konka is not related to child abuse, is generally affecting spouses, couples. Ibibrumu adartare manyogo ya kwa n'umukazi wanje yatwara maraya ya antwariro mushija benanywera umbare ahendera atuyire ashwirweyo. Those general GBV which have aspects of sexual violence, emotional violence and physical abuse.
If you can empower the community development officers to train parents on good parenting techniques or styles, it will help to reduce on violence against children.
Bimwe habintu ebikanyiso kutuntuza abana harimo bworo abazire okunagirira abana emizeme by'obuhangwa ebitokoza bungo hamwe n'ebindi bingi. Gashakwa Abdukarim Sengendo.